Hello and welcome to the part 12 of this video series. In this video, we are going to learn about switch statements in C Sharp. So let's see what we will see as part of this video. We are going to look at switch statements. We will see case, break, default and GoTo keywords. And we will also see how we can merge two case blocks and we will also see why GoTo is not a very good practice to use in our code. So let's get started. I have opened up my Visual Studio here and I want to create a simple program that will ask the user which day is it, and based on that input it will display some output. So let's say we will ask user what day is it today. Okay, so now we will wait for users input using readline method, and we will capture this input in our variable of string type day equal to. Okay, so now we are asking the user for an input and we are storing that input in day variable. Now we can check which day is it using if statements, which we have seen in the last video. I can use if day is equal to Monday, then print start of the week. Else if day is equal to Friday, I will print yeah, today is Friday. Else if day is equal to Saturday or day is equal to Sunday, we will print happy weekend. Else we will print it is an ordinary day. Okay, so this is our simple program. Let me go ahead and run this. It has asked me the question what day is it today, and it is waiting for my reply. Let me add Monday, and I can see start of the week is coming. So yes, our program is working as expected. If you see here, there are a lot of if statements that I used. Now here we've used if, then else if, then else if, then else, and there are a lot of curly braces. So let's see how we can reduce this line of code using a switch statement. Okay, to start a switch statement, first we have to use the switch keyword, and we need to give the variable on which we need to put the condition. So this time we need to check the day variable. So I will give the day variable here, and I will start my switch case using the two curly braces. So now to compare the variable, we have to use the case keyword. Then I can specify my condition. I want to compare if day is Monday. Then I have to put a colon, and then I can write the piece of code which I want to execute when the day is Monday. So I will say start of the week. Okay, and after that I will break my case here, and that's it. We have our first switch and case block. Let's add case Friday, then print yeah, today is Friday, and I will use the break keyword. any other ordinary. So this is how basically we can convert our if statement to a switch statement. Let's understand how this is working. We have declared a variable day and we are capturing the user input in that variable. Then we have started our switch case here and it is checking for the day variable. If the day is Monday, it will go ahead and print the message start of the week and then it will break this block, meaning it will come out of this switch statement. It will not check any other case, right? Similarly, if the day is Friday, first it will check if it is Monday. No, then it will go to the next case. It will check for the Friday. Yes, we have entered Friday there. Then it will print, yeah, today is Friday. And similarly, just like in if statements, we were having the else block. When none of the conditions are matching, we have the default block in switch case that we can use if user is entering something that is not matched by any other condition before. Let's see this in action. It is asking me which day is it, and I will enter Friday. As expected, it is giving me message, yeah, today is Friday. I'm running it again and let me give some different day this time, maybe Wednesday. And this time we are getting message any other ordinary day. So this is how switch statement works in C#. If you remember, this is how we were using the if else statements and we were checking if the day is Saturday or day is Sunday, we were printing happy weekend. So let's see how we can implement the same in the switch case also. Okay, so I need to add more condition. I have to check for the Saturday and Sunday. So I will use case Saturday and I will print happy weekend. And I will break my case here and case Sunday. I can again print happy weekend. And break my block here. Let me go ahead and run this program now. I will enter Saturday and we can see happy weekend is coming. Okay, if we see the code here for the Saturday and Sunday, we have the same message, exactly same message we are printing, but we are using two different case blocks for these two. What we can do in C#, we can merge this case block into one so that we don't have to repeat our code again and again. So let me show you how. I can just go ahead and delete these line of codes. If you see here, there is no error message by the compiler because so basically we have combined the two case blocks into one. We are using the condition if Saturday and Sunday. We are executing the same code, happy weekend. Let me go ahead and run it. If I enter Sunday, you can see I'm getting the message happy weekend. So guys, this is how you can club your case statements into one. So let's change this code a bit. Maybe when the day is not Monday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, I want to print a message invalid day, please retry. So when the day is not matching any of the case above, we are coming to the default block and we are telling the user invalid day, please retry. So we have to give the opportunity to the user to give the day value again. So what we can do here in this, we can use GoTo keyword. To use GoTo keyword, first we need to define labels. Labels are nothing but markers in the code. Let me create a label here and show you. I will create a label start here. Okay, so the label is created here, start here. And if I want to go to that line of block, what I can do, I can use GoTo keyword and I can say start here. So once we have used the GoTo keyword, we can remove our break keyword. Because if you read the message here, it says unreachable code detected. Because once we hit this line of code, it will start executing code from this line, line number 3. So this line of code will never be executed. So we can safely remove this code. Okay. So let's try the program now. So I will add an invalid day here, ABC. You can see it has printed the message invalid day, and it is again asking me the question, what day is it today? Because we have used the GoTo keyword at line number 21, and it has moved our execution to the start here label, and start here label is nothing but line number 3. So we have started our execution from line number 3 again. If I give a valid input here, let's say Monday, then it will print the message start of the week and it will come out of the program. So guys, this is how you can use the labels and GoTo keyword in C#. Just want to add one thing here guys. The GoTo keyword is not a very good practice to use, because when we use the GoTo keyword, the execution will jump from one line to another line, and it is very hard to debug those kind of programs which are using GoTo keywords. So that's why in current applications, we don't use GoTo keyword, and it is not considered as very good practice to use GoTo keywords. So let's go ahead and create a simple application and use all these keywords so that we can understand it in much more better way. Let's create a simple application. Maybe we will create a simple burger shop where we will ask the user what they want to order, and based on their choice, we will generate the bill for them. So let's see how we can implement this. So this is a burger shop. And we will have 3 choices: small burger, medium size burger, and third is king size burger. So go ahead and ask the user which burger they want to order. Which burger you would like to eat today? Okay. And after this, let me provide the choices to the user. Okay. And now we will wait for user to enter their choices, and we will capture their choice in choice table. I will use console.read key, and of course this will give me a string. I have to cast my string to an integer, int.parse. Okay. Read line. Okay, so I am asking the user which kind of burger they want to order, and based on their choices, we will generate the bill for them. And let's consider the prices of each burger. Let's say the small burger costs us $10, medium is for $15, and king size is for $20 maybe. Okay, so now we have the prices and the user choice. We can create a variable that will store the bill amount. Int bill amount. We will start with 0, and based on the user's input, we will add up the amount. We will do switch choice case is 1. It means they have ordered a small burger, and then what we can do, we can use bill amount equal to bill amount plus $10, and then we can break this case block. Okay, similarly I will do it for the case 2. That is nothing but our medium size burger. And we have case 3. That is nothing but a king size burger. So when it is medium size, the price is $15. And when it is king size, the price is $20. Once it is done, what I need to do, I need to print the message. Thank you for your order. Your bill amount is, I will use string interpolation. Bill amount. So let's run this program. So here it is asking me which burger I want to order. I have 3 options: small, medium and king size. Let me order a medium size burger. And I can see it is giving me the message, thank you for your order and your bill amount is 15, because as per our condition, the medium burger is of $15. If you see here how we are adding up the prices, we are using the bill amount variable and adding the $10 in the bill amount variable itself. In C#, we can use a different syntax for this. So what is happening here, instead of using the normal assignment operator, we are using the plus equal to operator. What this will do, this will take the bill amount and add 10 to it and again assign it back to the bill amount variable. So instead of using this bigger syntax, we can reduce it to this shorter one. I can use plus equal to 20. Now let's add a default case also. Maybe user has not entered the proper input and we need to give the message invalid input. Please retry. Okay, let me run this program again. Now if I enter invalid choice, let's say 54, and you can see invalid input, please retry, but again I'm getting the same message, thank you for your order, your bill amount is 0, which is not correct. Ideally, when we are telling the user the input is invalid and we are asking the user to retry, we should pop up the same message again so that the user can make the choice again. So let's use a GoTo keyword and fix this problem. Maybe I will write this label, choose type. So I've created this label here, choose burger type. And if the user's input is invalid, I will give this message, please retry, and I will go to choose burger type. And again, I can remove my break statement because it is not required. And if I run my program again, let me order burger size 40, which is not a valid input. It will give me the message and let's see what will happen. Okay, so it has given me the message invalid input, please retry, and as expected, now we are getting the message again. So let me order 3 this time, king size burger, and now it is giving me thank you for your order, your bill amount is 20. So this is a very basic application, guys, that we have created using the switch statement. That's it for this video, guys. In the next video we are going to see while loops in C#.